Hey, welcome to the trail. I'm Travis from Titus Adventures. We're out here in one of our Toyota 4Runners. We're going to show you why this thing is probably our most popular vehicle to rent. It's an incredible overland machine with lots of great features. It's a great vehicle for, one, two, up to four people. And we have the rooftop tent, we have the awning, we have drawer systems, we've got lifted suspension, all the goodies that make this a really awesome vehicle on the trail. So we're going to show you all about it and show you why we love it so much. All right, let's open up this tent. This is one of the coolest features of the vehicle. We're going to show you just how easy it is to open and how comfortable and large it is inside. All right, lifting it up. Gas springs take it up on its own. Got a couple little poles here to make a nice little awning on the back. All right, we've got these done. Inside, you'll see our bed is already made. We've got pillows, we've got sleeping bags. They can live inside here. So really, when you show up to camp, you push this thing up and you're ready to go. Ladder also can live inside, and it can come down, and then we'll hook it up on the outside here. So the ladder hooks into this bracket right here, slide it in, lock the little toggle. We have our ladder ready to climb up. We'll kind of get it in the right spot. And we are camping. Climb up, and inside, really comfortable place to sleep. Onto the awning. This is a 270-degree awning. You're going to see it's going to swing way around here. Amazing shade. And also, if it's raining a little bit and you want to cook, you can kind of hang out underneath there. Let's show you how fast it sets up. All right, ready to swing around. Slides in over here, tighten it up, and we are set on this awning. So it gives you shade in the back and a lot on the side. If it's raining, you can pop this pole up, helps the rain run off, and it's incredibly easy to set up. Even if you're just having lunch and you want some shade, it sets up that fast. All right, let's check out what's inside the back of this bad boy. You'll see we've got a drawer system and fridge, and it just makes camping really luxurious. So one of the first things you'll see here is our electric refrigerator, and no more cooler, no more dealing with ice that's melting. This is an incredible feature to have. We can slide it out so you can get a little better access to it and open it up inside. We've got waters, you've got food, various things can go inside. You just set the temperature and it holds it. Close it back up, can slide it in. The electronics behind all this, we have a second car battery under the hood of the vehicle. It's dedicated to just running this electric fridge. So you just turn this thing on and leave it on the entire trip. You don't need to worry about your car battery draining. That second battery is going to charge up every time you're driving around. So that's kind of the cords going on behind there. Moving on to some of the gear and drawer systems here. You can see there's quite a bit of space for your gear to go inside the vehicle. And then we're going to show you all the things that come loaded with it. From a kitchen standpoint, all your utensils are in here. Pots, pans are living over on this side. There's room for your food. You've got your stove. Down to your French press. All that can be kind of laid out inside here. Makes it really easy to grab instead of having to pull everything out and find your utensil drawer or your utensils. It's right here, easy access. We have some other things that come with the vehicle too, kind of tucked over here, leveling blocks, first aid kits, shovels, saw, all that kind of stuff is loaded in here. Chairs and tables can live back here too for once you get to camp, easy to set up. So the drawer system is just a really easy way to organize your gear and having the upgrade of a fridge takes us to the next level. Here's a new hidden feature of these 4Runners. We've got a table that lives under the tent up on the roof. Makes setting up for lunch even faster. Slides out, sets up, and you are ready for cooking. All right, another incredible feature that lets this get onto those four-wheel drive roads and get off the beaten path and not be worried about damaging the vehicle is the suspension system. So we have put on a new lift kit. That just means we have raised the vehicle up so that it's less likely to hit rocks. It's a lot heavier duty system too, so it can handle the weight of the truck. It can handle you doing those really rocky roads. Along with the vehicle lift, we've put on really heavy duty tires. These are great at handling those really sharp rocks and giving you extra traction on the trail. And then we do have some body armor underneath the engine. There is a skid plate. We have these rock sliders that also protect the rocker panel of the car and act as a nice step. So those are things going on that you may not always see, but are working really well to make sure that vehicle is rocking it on the trail. All right, inside the 4Runner, and wanted to show you a couple of the four-wheel drive systems that, again, make this an incredibly capable truck on the trail. Over here is our transfer case stuff. This is how we're going to shift from two-wheel drive to high 4 to low 4. And when you come in for the orientation, we'll show you more about that and when to use them at different times, but it's pretty straightforward to use. Once the vehicle is in low 4, this thing just becomes a rock crawling machine, and we'll climb up just about anything and descend really steep trails. There are a couple advanced features on the 4Runners here. We've got crawl control. Think of it as like off-road cruise control where you actually engage it. You can change your speed here versus using your gas and brake pedal. And it's a great way to keep the vehicle in more control. It uses the ABS system. We can lock our rear differential. This is, again, good for kind of more advanced terrain. And then finally, these 4Runners have something called A-Track, stands for advanced traction. Think of it as you hit it and the car will try to think itself out of whatever pickle you might have put it in. Another feature we really love on our 4Runners, and actually all of our vehicles we have them, is a forward-facing trail camera. So with a push-up button, we can now see what's going on in front of us. These are the tire tracks for our front wheels, and you can see rocks and obstacles really clearly. Also, if you're climbing something really steep and you can't see what's ahead of you very well, this is an awesome thing to kick on. Lastly, under the hood here, show you a little bit more about that dual battery system that allows us to run that electric fridge without worrying about draining our main car battery. Not much you need to worry about down here, other than to know there's one car battery here that's made for your car. This second battery is over here for running the fridge. They're kind of doing their thing as they need to. The second battery will get charged up when you drive. There is also a neat feature where if your main car battery were to die, maybe you left a light on inside or something, you can actually jump the car battery off of the second one with just kind of the push of a button here. And again, we show you all that stuff when you come in for the orientation. Hey, so that's the overview of the 4Runners we have rigged for your next Overland adventure. Come jump behind the wheel soon.